Alright, here's the doggy seatbelt. I have it attached to my girl's collar. And all you have to do is click it in. It clicks in like a normal seatbelt and it's ready to go. Now I would recommend getting a harness if you plan on using this, just to be safe if you are in a car accident, or if they so happen to get out the window or anything like that, they won't be pulled on by their neck. We're just doing a demonstration, but she normally has a harness on. And we love this one because it has a bungee at the top, which gives her a little bit of extra length to get to the windowsill, which she loves to look out the window when we're driving. And that's one of the main reasons why we got this seatbelt, was because she loves to get up there and look out the window, and it terrifies me. So I did get something to protect her in case, you know, she does happen to get out of the window, you know, if there's an accident and she goes flying or anything like that. This is going to protect your dog. I cannot recommend this enough. And like I said, normally we have it hooked to a harness. I would 100% get a harness for this. But this is going to keep your dog safe and keep your dog alive.
Turn my feet up, overdose mine. I don't need drugs, got the most high. Holy Ghost writer, to compose rhymes. Seeing got us blind, got a cloud on our mind. I'm illuminated, opening my eyes. Now the spirit showing me the word is alive. I was so low.
Alright, so here's the clip, and it just goes right in to your seatbelt. Zeus, come on. Up. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Sit. Good boy. And then you just take the handle and hook it right in. And there you go. Super easy, super nice.
Okay, so I think that this dog seatbelt is very effective. It's very easy to use. Excuse me, Stormy. We're about to get out right now. And that's it. Very secure. Stormy. Hi, pretty girl.